Hey friends, so I am currently working on a operating system to guide decisions on generative AI for L&D leaders. And I was thinking about sharing a little preview specifically on what are some of the critical questions that you can ask as a L&D professional when it comes to generative AI. Now, artificial intelligence overall is huge, so we're going to focus specifically on generative AI. And for this example, we will look at conversational AI tools. It's like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google Gemini, and other large language models. We're going to look at this from a local level, so your team level, and also look at this from a company-wide view as well. So there's 9 questions that I would invite you to reflect on. And these are, why this tool for this task? Can a human without AI do this task better? How will AI tools enhance or hinder your performance? Very important question. How will this technology complement what you already have today? It's very easy to chase the trendy, sexy, shiny new thing, but don't forget about what you already have. What's the learning curve versus return on impact? So what do your people need to know in order to use this technology? How long will it take them to get around that learning curve? And from more of a company standpoint, we should be looking at how should we prepare the organization for the introduction of generative AI tools, whether that is in L&D or the company overall. How do we foster effective human AI collaboration in our learning processes? What skills are we going to need to develop to work effectively alongside AI in the workplace? And then looking to more the future, how can you ensure that your AI initiatives are actually going to be scalable? Now, context matters here, folks. So these are guiding questions rather than set in stone. Hopefully, they give you much to think about and explore in making your own decisions when it comes to generative AI. I'll keep you up to date on the progress of that operating system for L&D leaders. You can subscribe to my weekly Still These Thoughts newsletter, where I'll be talking more about that, and the release date. It will be a free resource for all of the L&D community. I'd love to know what you think of these questions. What would you add? What would you dig deeper on? What may you even take away? Let me know about those in the comments below, and I'll speak to you in the next one.